Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will have a look at the People view in Enterprise Search. This is our Enterprise Search dashboard. First of all, click on People to open the People view. Here, you'll see every member who is part of the organization, their roles, and the department or team they belong to. There are two ways to view the team: List View and Org View. In the List View, everyone appears in a card layout like this. At the top, we have the filters. We can filter the list by titles, team, department, etc. When we click on this, we can search for individual titles or select titles from the list, and the relevant names will appear. Let's remove the filters. Next, we have Org View. When we click on Org View, we see a hierarchical tree. This shows the hierarchy and reporting structure. At the top, there are zoom in and out options. We can zoom out to see the entire tree, or zoom in again to take a closer look at specific members. You can click on the percentage in the middle to return to the default view. We can collapse everything by clicking here, or expand everything by clicking on Expand. These are all the team members and the hierarchy of the team. We can click on any specific card to view more details about that particular member. Let's close this. That's how People View works. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.